Hello everyone, this is Jay, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about Tesla earnings and the after hours price, and I'm also gonna be talking and reviewing an ETF, a high income ETF that I have in my watch list, and I've been looking at it very closely. But before we start, please don't forget to hit that like button. I really appreciate all of you guys that have been hitting that like button and are helping me reach other people out there, and all of the new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys subscribing and joining me in this journey. So let's go right into Seeking Alpha, which I'm not affiliated with, but it's the website that I usually look and use to look stocks. And we have right here TSLA, which is the Tesla Inc. Stock, and it closed today at $242.68. And if you guys see right here in the news, Tesla non-GAAP EPS of 66 cents misses by 7 cents. Revenue of $23.35 billion dollars misses by $790 million. So if you guys see right here, in the last 6 months, Tesla is still up 38%. But in the last month, it is down 8.87%. So if you guys, if you guys look at the post-market price right here, the post-market as of 7:59 p.m., it is down 4.24%, and it is at $232.40 per share. So that's like $10 less per share. So tomorrow you can definitely pick up some more, which will be Thursday. I'm recording this on Wednesday night. And I'm probably going to post it in the morning anyways, but once the market opens, you'll be able, if you want to pick up some Tesla shares, it looks like it's going to be a sell-off on those Tesla, the Tesla stock. All right, so now let's go to my second topic very quickly, which is this ticker symbol SPYI, which is the NEOS S&P 500 High Income ETF. This is an ETF that distributes, or the distribution of it is a monthly distribution, so they pay their dividends monthly, and right now the yield is at 12.22%. So definitely a very nice and high yield for anyone seeking income, for sure. And the expense ratio is that it's a little bit, I think it is reasonable for the kind of ETF that it is, but it is 0.68%. So that's definitely higher than anything else like SCHD or VYM or any of those kind of ETFs. But right here, the target benefits of SPYI's strategy: the funds seek to distribute high monthly income generated from investing in the constituents of the S&P 500 index and implementing a data-driven call option strategy. So this ETF right here, what it pretty much does is some call options into the S&P 500 index fund holdings, pretty much. Actively managed by NEOS, the fund seeks to take advantage of tax loss harvesting opportunities in addition to utilizing SPX index options classified as Section 1256 contracts, which are subject to lower 60/40 tax rates, which you also get like some taxes advantage also, it looks like right here. The fund utilizes a call option strategy that may include both sold and purchased SPX index options, which may provide the opportunity for upside capture in rising equity markets. So, and the objective right here of this NEOS S&P 500 Income ETF seeks high monthly income in a tax efficient manner. So definitely this is for someone that it looks like it's for someone that is looking for high income, which is gonna be me in the next couple of years, since one of my goals is to have some free time and definitely have some weekends off with my family and enjoy some time off. So This is definitely one that I'm keeping an eye on, especially at that 12.22% distribution yield. The expense ratio, not a fan of, but um, it is a call option ETF, so they need that higher expense. All right, so if we go back into Seeking Alpha, which I was scrolling down and I forgot to scroll up, I kind of screwed up. Year to date, it is up 2.80%. So right now it is at $47.31, this ETF. As you guys can see here, the expense ratio. So the dividend rate right here is $5.76 per share per year. So that's definitely a pretty nice income right there. Yield is at 12.07% according to Seeking Alpha. And if we scroll down, we can look a little bit more at this. The fund inception was in August 29, 2022, so it's very, very new. It has only been out for pretty much a year and like 2-3 months, so not that long. But in this last year, price return 4.76, and if you reinvested the dividends, and you will have a total return of 18.17%. So that's definitely looking very, very good. And if you guys compare it to the S&P 500, it is very, very close actually. The S&P 500 has a total return of 20.91%. So definitely those high dividends from this ETF helps out a lot. If you guys see right here the difference in price return, huge difference. But once you do the total return with dividends, it definitely helps out a lot. The assets under management is only at $350 million, which is still very, very small, but it's definitely looking really, really good. And right here, let's look at the holdings breakdown. So they have 29% in technology, healthcare 13%, financials 12%, consumer cyclical 9%, communication 9%, industrial 7%, consumer defensive 6%, energy 4%, utilities 2%, real estate 2%, and basic material 2%. So as you guys see here, just like the S&P 500 top 10 holdings, they actually hold Apple 7%, Microsoft 6%, Amazon, Nvidia, both Google stocks, Meta platforms for Facebook, which I just used to buy a cheap grill from some people, and that was awesome. I think I got it at a good price, definitely. So that was not bad. Tesla Inc. They also invest in that. Berkshire Hathaway, which is Warren Buffett's stock or company, United Health Group, and they have a number of holdings of 509 holdings. So just like the S&P 500. And right here, the ex-dividend date, it was on September 20th, and they paid 2 days later. So this is, I'm guessing you still have some time if you want to do your research into this stock and pick up some shares of this stock and get paid this month in October. You probably have until tomorrow, the 19th, which will be Thursday, October 19th, to pick up some shares of this and get paid the dividend 2 days later. The latest announced dividend was of 49 cents per share. So you could get some those 49 cents of each share depending on how many shares you want or you pick up. All right. How did you guys like this ETF? Have you guys seen it? Did you guys have it in your portfolio? In your watch list? Do you own this? How many shares do you own? Definitely very, very interesting ETF. I think that out of all the ETFs that are out there, like call options, cover calls, anything like that, like the Yield Max, I really, really like this one. I feel like this one is a little bit safer, in my opinion, especially since it mirrors the S&P 500. All right, let me take a look at my portfolio today because I haven't taken a look at it. And once we go into my portfolio here, we are down $592. Definitely most of my portfolio is in red right now. As you guys see here, performance column K, SCHD, I am negative $60. But right now it closed today on Wednesday at $70.62. I definitely wanted to go back down into the 60s. So hopefully by Friday, by my Friday deposit day, it definitely goes down into the 60s. As some of you guys know, so the people that have been subscribed to my channel and have been following me, you guys know that every Friday I deposit when I get paid, and that's on the same Friday I purchase my stocks. What I do is I deposit around $100, and that I distribute to multiple stocks, whatever is under value at the moment, and I always add some to SCHD and VYM on a weekly basis. Those are my two holdings that I want them to be my core holdings. I know right now, all Realty Income, I have it very, very high in my portfolio right now, but it's just I'm taking advantage of this such low price before it goes back up into the 60s. And right now it closed today at $49.91. But VYM will be up there soon. I'm really gonna tackle that. I'm really gonna start investing into VYM a little bit more, even though it doesn't have the same dividend growth as SCHD, but it is definitely an ETF that I want to, when I retire, be giving me some safe income, just like SCHD. I like both of them right there. And yeah, Coca-Cola is still down right now. It's at $54. Last week I think I bought it like around $51, which was awesome. I'm hoping it stays under my cost per share, which is at $57.66. Hopefully it stays down at these prices, so I can pick up some more this Friday also. And Sachem Capital Corp is one that I'm gonna be selling soon. I'm still holding a little bit. And maybe I'll change it with SPYI. I was looking at McDonald's and Visa, which are two very nice companies that I definitely, or very great companies, not very nice, great companies that I definitely wanted to start a position. And maybe I'll sell Sachem Capital Corp soon, and then make a change in my portfolio. All right, let's see everything else. Vici, definitely one that I want to continue building this holding right here, especially with the NBA adding a team into Las Vegas, probably in the next couple of years. That definitely gonna up the value of everything out there in Las Vegas. All right, everyone. I think this is it for me for today's video. I'll probably make another video tomorrow night, on Thursday night, reviewing and seeing at what price everything closed, so I have an idea of everything that I'm gonna be purchasing on Friday. So I'll probably make a video reviewing all my stocks, and see what's in the negative that I can definitely purchase on Friday, and give you guys a quick update before I make my weekly purchases update on Sunday. All right, everyone. I hope you guys have a nice day, and please don't forget to hit that like button. I really, really appreciate all the help and seeing the channel grow, which I didn't think it was going to grow. And I really, really appreciate it. You guys don't even know how much I do appreciate it. All right, everyone. So please have a good day, and I'll definitely see you on the next video. Thank you, everyone. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.